According to the race's sources in the MotoGP paddock, Jack Miller has inked a 2-year agreement to join the Red Bull KTM squad for 2023 and 2024, with the Austrian expected to replace Miguel alongside Brad Binder next season. The announcement was supposed to be released at this weekend's Catalan Grand Prix, but it's understood that Miller's current factory Ducati team has delayed it, and it will be disclosed in the days after Sunday's race. Hi, you're watching Fervent Motorsports, your one stop for everything speed. Before starting this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Miller's 5 years with Ducati, first with Pramac Racing and then the past 2 seasons in Factory Red, came to an end as the manufacturer scrambles to make a room not only for Miller's previously expected replacement George, but also for three-time race winner Enea Bastianini, who is now widely regarded as the clear favorite to replace Miller as Martin remains with Pramac. Miller's hiring follows talks between his manager Eki Ejo, who also oversees KTM and Red Bull's extremely successful factory Moto2 and Moto3 operations, and new factory team head Francesco, who previously managed Miller for 3 seasons at Pramac, with KTM eager to announce Miller's arrival this weekend. But this has been put to hold by his current employers, who must still declare a recognition within their ranks. Miguel, who was forced out of KTM by Miller's arrival, may be a part of that reorganization, which would be shocking. He turned down a chance to join satellite team Tech 3, where he won 2 races in 2020 and is now searching elsewhere, with the prospect to replace Bastianini and Gresini Racing currently seeming like the most likely landing site for him. This opens up a spot on the satellite crew for a former KTM employee, as the company aims to rehire Paul to resume on-track testing responsibilities. The arrival of 2020 World Champion Joan Mir is likely to force him out of Repsol Honda after only 2 years. Espargaro will instead return to Austrian manufacturer, where he spent 4 seasons from 2016 to 2020, as well as the Tech 3 team, where he began his MotoGP career on Yamaha gear in 2014. However, who will ride the second Tech 3 bike is significantly less certain. It's no secret that the squad isn't thrilled with Remy, one of their current rookie tandem, because of his outspoken statements regarding the health of the team's 2022 machine. But the Australian is considerably more eager to stay in place rather than Raul on the other side of the box. He's just as dissatisfied with the bike as Gardner, but he's a rising star owing to an unbelievable rookie season in Moto2, in which he won 8 races, and he's thought to be a significant target for Aprilia. Last weekend, the Italian manufacturer revealed ambitions to grow on 4 motorcycles for 2023, taking on board with existing Yamaha satellite team with RNF, in an agreement that would most certainly see the riders hired directly. Due to Suzuki's shocking exit from the sport at the end of 2022, not only Mir but also his teammate Alex Rins are still on the riders' market for next year, with Spaniard one of the most likely candidates to join Aprilia's satellite squad, which is believed to be looking for one experienced rider and one relative rookie for the team's first season with the Italian brand. Rins is also a possible target for Lucio LCR Honda's satellite squad, with Alex Marquez's future uncertain. Initially thought to be on his way out following a poor start to 2022, there have been new signs that he may be yet granted a stay of execution. But if he does, Rins is a strong contender to succeed him.